Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, the sun got eclipsed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed a long standing in the prayer, then bowed down, then stood upright, then bowed down, then stood up, then bowed down. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed 2-unit prayer with 3 bowings and 4 prostrations in every unit. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam completed the prayer, the sun had become bright. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood for bowing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam pronounced takbir and then performed the bowing. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his head from bowing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam uttered Sami Allahu liman hamida. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then stood erect and extolled and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, the sun and the moon do not get eclipsed on account of anybody's death or birth, but they are of Allah's sign. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu creates fear in people's heart through them, so whenever you sight solar or lunar eclipse, remember Allah Jalla Jalaluhu until they turn bright. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2093.